that first career win and came up one spot short. Tanner Gray with a great
come on, Tanner.
effort here today at Tricon Garage.
Well, I want Corey Heim to win, but if he don't win, any of you, boogity! Let's go some more. Green flag, Rockingham. All right, who's my pick? Cole Butcher ain't gonna last long enough to be up here. Yeah, he'll run really good, but he's a really good driver. If you haven't noticed, he's been running up front a lot. He just wrecks or something breaks on the truck. Anywho, I don't want Corey Heim to win this race because I love Corey Heim. Oh, 44's in the wall. I'm not going to mention it, but he's in the wall. Well, he was in the wall. He ain't in the wall no more. Go, Tanner! Hey, now we're going to fucking mention it. Oh, yeah, his truck's fucked up.
Let's take a look, Jamie, and Regan, at what happened.
Yeah.
Completely sideways. Don't know if there was contact.
There had to be contact. No, you can't just. Nope, never mind. There wasn't. From that angle, it just looked like the truck snapped. Oh, Butterbean's intense. Okay, you know what? I'm having 4 picks for this race because I don't care. Who I think is gonna win? Oh, never mind. There goes 14, almost. Anyway, now before I got really interrupted, now I can go actually do my pick for the race. Tanner Gray, Corey Heim, most likely to win. Also, who I want to win. But I mean, Brennan Queen. Yeah, he has a chance. Oh, woo! Pretty good. That 44 looks so fucking good. It looks like one of them old Castrol Supras. I love those colors. Just I hate that it's already fucked up on lap 4. But
there's nothing on that right rear tire right now as well. I haven't seen any smoke, so hopefully he's good from that standpoint. But it's gonna make that truck just.
That Mohawk thing's pretty cool too.
Caught a glimpse of that 38 of Chandler Smith. We talked about the fact he had to start from the rear. He's already up about 8 positions. So
I don't give a fuck, Keisha.
We certainly expected a lot more out of him with the speed we saw in practice.
Went into turn 1 in qualifying and a broken right.
I think Tanner gets it done. His first win. Oh, forgot about Hocevar. Never mind. Corey Heim, out of the way. Tanner, out of the way. Hocevar, Corey Heim, and Tanner Gray. Now my picks to win. But I want Tanner to win over any of them because the rest of them already have wins. Sleeper pick to win? I mean, would Hocevar be? I don't know. He's never ran this track. I mean, Brennan Queen, obviously, Butterbean. That's gonna be my dark horse sleeper pick. Oh, that's fucking great. The whole field's fucked. Yep. Oh, they put hair barriers up on the front stretch. They didn't have those last year.
And he does it. Corey Heim into 4th.
Uh-oh. I remember last year, this race was basically just single file with most cars across in there fucking ram these machines with them logo color. For the first like decent amount of the state of the race, it was mostly single file spread out racing. Until I believe about stage 3. I believe once we got to like 80 laps to go, we had a caution and it was like actual racing. But then they repaved the whole track. I believe they repaved the whole track. I don't know. Going to commercial ready.